think about the factory farm, there's a direct or interpersonal form of violence, which is the human workers, or I'd actually say machines and enclosures, directly exerting forms of violence or coercion against non-humans, which produces a form of domination in that space. But it happens in a context, and this is where we step back to the institutional or structural. The context is, of course, billions of animals have been positioned by our societies to become sources of subsistence for human populations. And we have used, through intensification, mechanized means and forms of technologies and enclosures, mass scale forced reproduction to make this happen. And this is the context by which it all happens. But finally, there's an epistemic level, which is, on one hand, the big picture is a hierarchical anthropocentrism that now pervades most societies globally and positions animals as below, less worthy than most human life, and subjects, as a result of this hierarchy, animals to forms of erasure and violence